Hey guys, so I've just finally had my Canon R5 turn up. This little beauty right here. It's so small, it really is. It's just absolutely stunning. I've just realised I just left it on. So I turn that off. I cannot believe how quick it is. It's just insanely fast for taking photos, etc. And the only downside is I had to buy a, can you see this little bit here in the middle, sort of where my thumb is? That's an adapter ring. I didn't realise that Canon they stopped doing the EF mount for the mirrorless, so you had to buy effectively whole different lenses, or you had to buy an adapter. So you know, I mean, like this lens was, I bought it second hand and it was still about £600, and this one was about 400. So I don't particularly want to have to buy new lenses. One thing that's really annoying that I did have to buy is I like running everything off of an SSD. I'm not even sure how fast this SSD runs, but and essentially I've had to buy a CFast card, and just for 256 gig, it's like 320 odd pounds, something like that, because that camera will record at 8K, and I need to make sure I've got the ability to do that. Because why record at 8K? Well, the idea is that you can take a 4K video or even a 1080 or whatever, and you crop in, so I can have a really big wide shot and I can crop right in without losing any quality. So that's the idea. So I'm setting up, well I should be, I've just been doing my course with Film Booth, and I'm just about to start setting up for filming the videos for SWA and bits and pieces. So I'm just starting to script that out and preparing for that tomorrow. I've got to just write out all the A-roll, the B-roll and the script, excuse me, and then I'm away. So that should be interesting. We'll see how that goes. And I'm just really looking forward to really getting all of this together and actually using it as I was meant to properly, because it's been expensive. It really has. I'm hoping that these will sell soon. I've sold, my Panasonic's already gone this morning. I sold a grip, I can't remember what, a gimbal. I've got another gimbal for sale. I've got my EOS 6D for sale, which has already got some bids on it. And the Blackmagics, I've had some offers, but not quite where I want to be. I mean, I've had like £1,400 offered, and I think I paid 2.2 for it. And bearing in mind that it's basically brand new, I would expect to at least get about 1,800, 1,900 for it. So we'll see. Challenges, well, today we've had Star in, going through with bits and pieces, so that's Citizen. Star have priced their bits and pieces, so we've had prices from Star, Citizen and Tornos, so we now know where we're at. Star and Citizen both, so Star's without any discount like 200k, I think Citizen was like 186 or something like that. Citizen's machine, it's a smaller machine, but it's good because it's got, just to give you an idea, just with that there, if you can kind of see that, that's actually a sliding door. So it's a door that slides like that, not up and over, and we need that because of the ceiling height. Star are proposing doing a modification to the opening of the up and over door, and the only drawback with that is that apparently it might drip oil on to the floor, but I'm looking at it and going, that's actually probably going to drip oil onto the person working inside the lathe, which is not really a good idea. So I have to think about that. But Istvan's going to go through and work out what standard tool holding we're going to need, work holding, all the bits and pieces, and then we'll go work. Once we've got a list, we'll go back to them and say this is what we want, and then we can get those prices nailed down and we can start on negotiations and decide what we want to go for. Anyway, that's the challenges for today. Thanks.